Hey everyone, this video is unboxing March's Birchbox. If you don't know about Birchbox or you want to know a little bit more or see what I got for March, stay tuned. Hey guys, so if you don't know what Birchbox is, it is similar to Ipsy in a sense of the pricing. It is $10 a month subscription, and they give sample size products. It's usually 5 to 6, I think. This is more of a discovery box for me because they introduce you to products and companies sometimes that you've never heard of. So it's really nice to pay $10 and be introduced to new products that are really cool, different, you know? So Birchbox comes every month in this pink box. It says yes on the outside, and even the address label, I've told you guys before, it always has like a cute little saying before my name. This month it says the finest, and then it's got my name and address. Before my birthday, it's happy birthday, or one time it said the creative, whatever. So anyway, it's a box inside a box, and this is the designed box for March. Very cute, huh? So they do like different themed boxes every month. And this one is the picture for March, which is really cute. And when you open it up, if things didn't fall out, I'm knocking everything over. I don't even want to look. I don't want to look. There's usually a card on top with the products on the other side and prices. And then this is what's in there. Ooh, I already see stuff I like. Every month you can pick a curated box, or which is already like pre-picked based on your stuff. Or you can pick one of your samples and it'll give you like 3 to choose from. And then the rest is like everybody's getting that, I think. So this month I didn't pick anything because I haven't been feeling good. And I wasn't on like my social media and even checking my emails the right way. So I don't really know what I got. I didn't even check to see what the standard curated box was. But I really see a lot of cool stuff in here, so I'm excited. So this is by Model Co. It says Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. The full size is 18 bucks, but we don't get the full size with Birchbox. We get the little samples, which you will probably get this too. I'm not going to swatch it. I'll just show you. The color is Pastiano. Oh, cool. That's really pretty. It looks like 3 shimmers. I can't swatch it because I don't want to open it. Is there plastic on here? There isn't plastic on here, but I'm going to put it back in here so you guys can get this. It's really, really pretty. Nice, portable, little compact thingy. And we'll go to the next thing. The next thing is by Kiehl's, and it's the Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. We got it in 1.4 ounces. The full size retails for $32. That's kind of cool. It says the pure botanical oil to milk cleanser dissolves stubborn makeup without over drying your skin, leaving it utterly clean, balanced, and refreshed. I've never tried this. Like I said, this is a discovery box for me. So things like that are introduced, and then I know what I like and I can go and order it. And I know they offer, like Ipsy, you can go online and they have like a store and you can buy some of these products. So it's kind of cool. All right, my camera's like super stupid right now. This next product is by Oribe. This is the Grandos Hair Plumping Mousse. We got it in 30 mLs, and the full size retails for $39. It says amp up the volume with this luxe mousse that delivers crunch-free, balanced body. Work a golf size dollop through damp hair and scrunch. My hair is really curly when it's not straightened, so trying a new product like that would be really cool for me, so it's not so frizzy. This one is by McLaren's Paris. It's Recharge in 0.1 ounce. What is this? It's a relaxed sleep mask. Full size of this is $27. It says this rebalancing mask detoxifies with flower water and recharges with energizing fig. I'm out of focus again. What the hell? Anyway. It makes your skin glowy by morning. Very cool. I'm so excited about this product. And I don't know if you guys would believe me if I told you, but I've never tried it. It's the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit Mascara. Full size of this retails for $25. It's water resistant mascara formula, uses one of the lightest known particles in space to weightlessly lengthen and lift your lashes for up to 36 hours. It's got a little picture on here, kind of like It Cosmetics, where it shows you what it can do. If it'll focus. My camera's acting really dumb. It says 90% salt dramatic volume. Have you guys tried this? Am I like the only girl left that hasn't tried this mascara? I've heard nothing but like amazing things. I love their packaging, but you know, I like the hot pink. I'm really excited to try this. So stoked. I have a ton of mascaras open, so I'm really glad that this is a trial, like a tiny one that I can just use and not waste. So that was 5 products. That's standard for Birchbox, but I noticed that there's another thing in the box, and it also says bonus. And you guys probably seen it when it fell out the box. It is a Luxie brush. I love getting brushes. Full-size rose gold eye shading brush. This retails for $12. I probably already have it, but I don't care. Never get enough brushes. And this is number 213, eye shading. See ya. Absolutely love it. It's regular size, gorgeous brush. I love Luxie brushes. So I'm super stoked. For $10, you cannot beat it. This is $12. So all the other stuff is just extra, right? I love my boxes, and this is one of my favorite. Let me know what you guys think. I know I've talked to you about it before. Comment down below. After like 4 unboxing videos, you think I would stop babbling. No. I still have a couple more to go, so hopefully I'll get back into the swing of things. Anyway, comment down below what you guys think of this box, if you've tried any of these products before. And yeah, what do you think? That's mostly what I like to hear. And I will see you all again real soon. I have a couple more boxes to do for the night. I'm trying to take advantage of me feeling good today, and you can see I did my makeup. Bad attempt, but I tried. And I want to get back on track with the channel, so I will be on here again later on and do some more unboxings. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I will talk to you again real soon. Bye.